So you're thinking about moving to Silverleaf in St. Augustine, Florida, and you'd really like to live in a 55 plus active adult gated community. Well, today I'm in Reverie by Dreamfinders Homes. Dreamfinders is the official builder of the PGA Tour. I'm going to show you some beautiful single family homes that they're building in this community, and they are building on 40-foot, 50-foot, and 60-foot lots. I'm also going to show you these very nice and beautiful villa homes as well. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Okay, we're gonna get started with our walkthrough of this Borton model. Let's go. So you got a nice pavered entryway here with cementitious siding. 8-foot door openings. Ten-foot ceilings. This is luxury vinyl plank. You've got 5-foot baseboards. Gorgeous crown molding. That goes out to your 2-car garage. Very nice laundry room. Love those gray cabinets. Nice area here for your artwork. Here's a gorgeous flex room. Of course, they added these carriage doors. Beautiful. Going to make a turn to the right. Here's bedroom number 1. You have these sliding doors for your closet. This is your first bathroom. They've got tile all the way up to the ceiling. This home has 8 separate closets in it. Take a look at the kitchen. Beautiful pendant lights. Granite is standard for the counters and the island. Quartz is an upgrade. Of course, this is showing quartz. You've got a gourmet chef's kitchen with KitchenAid appliances. Fully vented hood here. This community is natural gas, so you're going to have a tankless hot water heater as well. And this beautiful farm sink. Look at the size of this pantry. And you've got room to spare for additional wire racks if you want, or shelves. Beautiful breakfast dining area here. Got a tray ceiling, so we go up another foot up. So we're going up to 11 feet with the ceiling in here. You can screen in these patios if you want. This one is showing a deck with an extension, and these lots are about 100 feet deep. Of course, you've got the beautiful sliding glass doors. And this is the owner's bedroom with, of course, a tray ceiling. They added these beautiful pendant lights as well. There is no carpet in any of these homes. They're all solid surface flooring, gorgeous walk-in shower. They're all designed this way with a bench, of course, and the walls are reinforced so that if you wanted to add, a railing in there as well, you could, of course, add that as well and not have to worry about strength. There's your water closet. And then this huge owner's closet. Now let's take a look at this beautiful Cooper model. This is a low country elevation. This is on a 60-foot lot, and this is 3,229 square feet. And of course, the backyard is amazing, and you'll see that, so stick around. Let's do the walkthrough. There's your 3-car garage. Beautiful, nice extended front porch. So if you want to sit out here and enjoy your mornings or your evenings or anytime you want to be out here, you certainly can. Again, here's your 8-foot door openings, 10-foot ceilings, and with the tray that go up to 11 feet. This is your first bedroom. Beautiful lighting fixtures. And this is the first bathroom with a tub shower combination. I love this. Here's your flex room, which again, you could add carriage doors on here if you wanted to. I love the record albums. This one is set up very nicely. I love the art. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs, check out that bonus room shortly, but I want to make you wait just a little while longer. This goes out to your 3-car garage. And I want you to see this floor. Beautiful floor. Yes, you too can have a garage floor like this. Very nice shop. Pre-plumbed for a water softener. Wanted to add, there's a structural option that you can opt for. They can actually extend the front of the home and extend the back of the home. So if you're interested in that option, reach out to me. We can definitely talk about it. Here's your laundry room with cabinets and a sink. That's a mechanical closet. Huge open living area here. Beautiful light fixtures. They have definitely upgraded all the cabinetry. This has the chef's kitchen. Little butler pantry area here. Very nice walk-in pantry. Gorgeous vent hood. Very nice dining area. These transom windows are an option that you could add to the home, as well as this sliding glass door right here. There's your patio, which of course can be screened in as well. Another shot at your living room, family room here. And here's the primary bedroom. And this home did have the extension on the back as well as the front. His and hers walk-in closets. Linen closet. Vanities on both sides. Soaking tub. And a gorgeous walk-in shower. Now we're going to go upstairs and check out this incredible bonus room. Let's go. Take a turn to the left. Here we have a beautiful loft area with built-ins. Got a big screen TV. Gorgeous bedroom. Looking out on your backyard. Here we have one vanity here. Tile floors. One walk-in closet here. Nice little space here in between. Water closet, tub shower combination. Another vanity here. And of course this door does close. And another walk-in closet. So you can access this bedroom here from this door. So they basically created 4 bedrooms with this bonus room. 4 bedrooms in total on this home with this bonus room. Totally amazing. Pretty amazing, right? So I wanted to cover with you the homeowners association in this community. It covers quite a lot, and there is no CDD. With your homeowners association, you have your landscaping and maintenance, so cutting the lawn, watering the lawn, all that stuff. It's all inclusive in your HOA. They have a state-of-the-art amenity center with separate aerobics area, fitness center, outdoor zero-entry pool with separate spa, party bar, and multiple gathering places. They have a full-time professional community staff for community events and programming, including activities director and maintenance team. They're going to have conservation areas in here. There's fitness on demand video system, Reverie dog park, 6 pickleball courts, bocce ball court, cornhole court, a grand event lawn, a golf simulator, and a putting green. And of course, if you want to enjoy golf, we are here in North Florida and we have some of the nicest golf courses you could ever want to play on very close by. We're going to put my phone number up on the screen, as well as my email address. Reach out to me if you have any questions about Reverie. I'd be happy to make an appointment and meet you here, or we could do an online meeting, through Zoom if you wanted to do that as well. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to the Jacksonville, Florida area. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.